Mm. Have you been there for them, just as they were there for you? Have you been there for them, just as they were there for you? When the invading plunderers came from every direction, chasing and disrupting day and night, to seize the wealth of the land and the wealth of the sea, to slaughter and annihilate an innocent people. Your heroic children did not remain silent, watching your wealth being plundered, watching your people perish. They rushed immediately with absolute devotion. They stood up for you on the sea and on the land. In the struggle for the birth of your freedom, from the center to your furthest borders, to bring freedom to you through heroism on the land and on the sea. Thousands of fair-skinned people sacrificed their lives. But you, my country, have you been there for them, just as they were there for you? Have you comforted them, upholding the sacred trust, the legacy? Do you check on the well-being of the hero's father and mother? Do you look after the children left behind by the patriot? Do you cast a glance toward the young bride who was left all alone? In the mobilization to safeguard your sovereignty, on the hills, the wilderness, the plains, and your borders, the inheritors and the testers, standing firm on the principles and practice of the martyrs who preceded them. With courage and heroism, they ransomed themselves for you. But you, my country, have you been there for them, just as they were there for you? Have you comforted them, upholding the sacred trust, the legacy? Do you check on the well-being of the hero's father and mother? Do you look after the children left behind by the patriot? Do you cast a glance toward the young bride who was left all alone?